Every 4 years, Bitcoin does something no other money on earth would ever dare to do. It cuts its own supply in half, automatically, on schedule, and nobody can stop it. It's called the halving, and the whole market holds its breath for it. Let's build it. Remember mining? Machines race, the winner earns brand new Bitcoin. That's how fresh coins enter the world. Now here's the twist Satoshi coded from day one. Every 4 years, that reward gets sliced in half. It started at 50 per block, then 25, then 12 and a half, then 6 and a quarter, smaller, 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 all the way until the very last coin, over 100 years from now. So every 4 years, the flow of new Bitcoin chokes to a trickle. While more people are scrambling to get in, you don't need a finance degree to feel where that points. Something scarce becomes even more scarce. Demand climbs, and the pressure builds. And here's what grabs everyone. Historically, every halving has come right before Bitcoin's biggest runs. Now, hear me, the past is not a promise. Nothing is guaranteed, and anyone swearing otherwise is selling you something. But the pattern is real enough that the entire market watches that countdown clock. The halving is Bitcoin's heartbeat. Slow, relentless, predictable. Tick every 4 years, like clockwork. No CEO touches it, no emergency changes it. The code just runs. Predictable scarcity on a timer. In this world, that's a miracle. I'm Saturo. Stay dangerous. See you in the next one.